Cheers.
No, okay, don't. I'll go.
You will?
You were really gonna do that, weren't you?
Maybe he should have actually drank the fat for weight loss. A controversial new study by the Public Health Collaboration and the National Obesity Forum in the UK says, quote, eating fat does not make you fat. Well, I guess this demonstration by Oprah was a total waste of time. The study has even better news, saying saturated fat does not cause heart disease. While this study is good news for those who want to eat fat and lose weight, Public Health England disagrees. A statement from Dr. Alison Tedstone says in part, in the face of all the evidence calling for people to eat more fat, cut out carbs, and ignore calories is irresponsible. That may be, but this is the study that lets people stay on their regular diets. Something else must be causing obesity rates to skyrocket. I'm Keri Lumm with Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.